Good morning, boomers. It's the voice of the blockchain, Satoshi's big cousin, crypto's finest, Champagne, back with another one, preheating this crypto oven to 11K and beyond. Bitcoin having a nice run this weekend, a little pullback this morning, but the bull run continues. We'll be talking about that. The precious metals, the cryptos, this bull run continues. The promise of funny bunny money continues, and the bubble continues to expand on the stocks. And gold's up, silver's up, Bitcoin up, kaboom, kaboom, all the way up. Good morning to Rafterman over there on YouTube. Good morning, sir. Shout out to everybody on YouTube and D-Live tuning into the live broadcast. Make sure you're touching and caressing the sub, the like, and the post notification bell. Ding, ding. Stay tuned in to all the good words that we spread here every single day. We'll be talking about the prices today, and let's see, check out the headlines, and we'll proceed as normal. I'm at home, do not know how long I can stay on, says Rafterman. Well, I'm glad you're here, and welcome. Good morning to you. Seems like you got to get out to work soon, but that's more important. That's more important. Move the truck and get to work is more important. We're still here kabooming. Shout out to Rafterman, our boomer bro that's always showing love. Hopefully everybody had an excellent weekend, enjoyed themselves, spent some time with the fam. Bombs are being dropped. Kaboom, 12K and beyond. It looks like we're about to crack this thing again. We touched 12 just a few hours ago, 1286, and we pulled back. I was reading an article there, I think it was on Cointelegraph, about how the price dropped $500 in just minutes to fill a futures gap. I got to read the actual article. But drop a comment. Let me know what's shaking and baking. Let me go ahead and share my screen. $2 from Rafterman. Thank you so much, Rafterman. Always showing me love. Glad to be here. Just have things to do at home. Well, it's good to be at home. All right, there you go. Thank you for the $2 too. I appreciate that. Lady Plants is here. Good morning, Lady Plants. Our crypto chick boomer. Always swimming laps in the pool. Staying physically fit out there. Rafterman's here. Lady Plants and the rest of the boomers are tuning in. We just fired up the broadcast. We've been on for less than 5 minutes. Make sure you're touching the buttons out, guys. We are preheating the oven. 11K. Looks like 12K and beyond. So there we go. 11.9. I'm going to share my screen. Let me turn off these coins and share my screen over here. Bitcoin, there's that pullback that we saw earlier this morning. Just like a straight pullback. This looks manufactured and manipulated. But, how could you prove it, right? I'm not the regulator. But, yeah, look at this all the way up. This is the month chart for Bitcoin, looking good. And it's nice to see it, a little pullback, and then it goes back up. But we're having some trouble here cracking through the $12,000 resistance. But I'll tell you this much, guys. I mean, the fact that we're staying above 11K is extra bullish, and I believe the bull run will continue. I think we're gonna break through 12K this week. If everything keeps going the way it's going, funny bunny money, the gold price goes up, I expect the price of Bitcoin continuing to go up. Now, I think pullbacks are healthy, and I'm looking for a pullback here. I saw this pullback last week, and I would expect another pullback, but it's like the promise of free money is like drugs for the market. They're not going to let up. So keep our eye on it. We'll continue to ride their waves. Lady Plants is trying to be a smart and fit crypto chick. Crypto sexiest boomer, says Rafterman. There you go. Lady Plants. Shout out to her. Staying physically active out there. Looking for a crypto hub to lock it down. I see you, Lady Plants, Rafterman, and all the boomers out there. Let me go ahead and share CoinMarketCap and run down these prices, see how things are looking, see if it's healthy or what. Bitcoin, 11.9 on the BTC. I'll tell you guys, way more strength than I expected. I would have expected us to be slightly above 10,000 right now. I'm going to be honest with you. Right now, slightly above 10K is where I would feel, even slightly below 9K. I would say I would have expected right now to be around 98 to about 10.3. But we are clearly ahead of what I expected, and that's bullish. I'm very happy when things exceed my expectations. Bitcoin at 11.9, up another 2.17%. Ether is really the gainer out here. Ethereum's making moves like no other this year. We started accumulating like at 160, 170 this year, and this thing is more than doubled up. So let me drop another bomb for that. Ether 395. Ripple's making the movements at 29 cents. Bitcoin Cash are 302. And how about Chainlink cracking through? Look at this Chainlink. Wow. 1372 for the stinky linkers, the Link Marines. Wow. I'm very, very impressed with Chainlink right now. It has taken over Litecoin, Cardano, Binance. It's crushing right now. It's what it's doing. It's crushing the competition, the stinky linkers. I've never even seen anybody use this thing, but it doesn't matter, right? Apparently. Wow. Could someone give me more info about like the functionality? I understand it's an Oracle, guys. I understand, but I've never even seen anybody use it. Now, I'm starting to think that maybe these DeFi platforms somehow use Link for their price reference or something. I don't know. But Link is crushing it. Guys, we got into Link at 30 cents, and we were so happy with the gains. We got off the train about $3. So imagine we would have stayed on this train. Imagine all those 4chan memers, those young memers on the chan that held this Link coin since its inception. Wow. There's some millionaires being made. I'll tell you that much. At 30 cents now, at 13. Wow. Some major gains. So let me drop a bomb, and I'm excited for Link. I don't have any Link. To be honest with you guys. I don't have any Link as of late, but I'm excited, and congratulations. Satoshi Vision, I'll skip Litecoin. They're at $58. Cardano at 14 cents. Binance at $22. Crypto.com at 16, almost 17 cents. EOS at 3.16. Tezos at 3.68. Stellar 10 cents. Monero and 93. Linky's liquidated Zeus Capital during the weekend. I don't know much about Zeus Capital, and I really don't know what you're talking about. But Linkies are strong. These stinky linkers, man. Wow, they propelled this coin to infinity and beyond. Hashtag Toy Story out here. Hashtag Buzz Lightyear. Boom. Wow. I wasn't expecting that one. I'll tell you that. I mean, listen, I knew it was a strong coin, and we talked about it and everything, but this thing has really performed. They better get the hell out of that coin before if BitConnect's on them. I don't know. It seems like I don't know. I wouldn't compare the two, but I still haven't figured out. I haven't seen anybody using it. So Vitalik, crypto's power lifter, says Athlete. There you go. T0's booming too. Listen, Derek, everything's going up right now. You're seeing gold, silver, ether, most of the cryptos, the stocks, everything is up. Everything is up. Your T0's up 300% since June. Kaboom. Let me drop a nice bomb for that. So yeah, we're seeing an inflation. No one wants to hold dollars. They're getting free dollars. Okay. Dollars are being created out of thin air, and people want to get rid of them. That's why look out for inflation. It's not happening as of late, but it will, in my opinion. But we haven't gotten to that level yet. Let's see what the gainers are. IrisNet, this is a new one. Urine Finance, that's a new one too. I've never seen that one. Terra, there's a few new ones. Band Protocol is doing good. We've been talking about Band and Rend doing excellent. I'll tell you this. I mean, these DeFi coins have treated us very well. Flexicoin's down. We got that in our bag, but it actually has made some gains. We took some Flexicoin gains and bought other DeFi tokens. iExec is down. Decentraland, I like this one. Decentraland, I like this one. Lend, Engine, there you go. There's a couple deals here. Will we see deflation first? I think we kind of have, considering. And the fact that, even the fact that the prices haven't moved to me, that's an indication of deflation. Even if, the money's being pumped. The money's being pumped, and we should have already experienced some the inflation, but the velocity is stagnant. The money's not moving. So, eventually, eventually, obviously, there's going to be inflation, and eventually, I think by design, they want to ruin the dollar. Listen, you also got to think about this geopolitically. China owns a lot of U.S. debt, okay? They own a lot of debt. So a weak dollar is bad for them. They own a lot of debt. So, the weaker the dollar is, the less their debt is worth. You see what I'm saying? So there's politics involved here. Here's the article about Bitcoin's price suddenly dropping 500 in seconds to fill the futures gap. A bounce off 11.5 saves investors from serious pain, but 12K remains a problematic level to flip support. BTC dropped several $100s in seconds on August 10th as 12,000 once more provided too hot to handle. BTC finds new focus at 11.7. Where are we at right now? 11.9. We're doing good. A classic move. Cointelegraph predicted on the day that markets would likely attempt to go lower on short time frames to fill the gap in line with standard behavior. The event caused a dramatic spike in liquidations on derivatives giant BitMEX. 13,000 will follow a $12,000 breakout. I think that's where we're headed to. I think 13,000 is on the table in the next 1 to 2 weeks. Yeah, if we break 12K, I mean, we broke 12K, but very weak. We broke 12K. What was the top of 12K here? 1286. If we can clearly break, 12.1, 12.2, I think we can easily get to 13. Especially in this climate, it's right now it's bullish. The climate is extra bullish right now, guys. I feel like, everybody's like, I'm making gains. You got Derek saying T0 is booming. This one's booming. And then, people are coming in saying it's booming and the stocks are up. I think right now it's what we're seeing is what we're seeing. Okay, we saw some deflation, but I think literally inflation is already hitting assets. Bitcoin, stocks, gold. I think the inflation is starting to, it's here already. And we've already noticed some inflation on food prices, especially on meats. The price of meats have gone up. Even the prices of milk have gone up. So, let's see. Let me share this over here on the chat box. Check this out. Boom. But yeah, I agree with this article. 13,000 is coming soon, guys. 13,000 is coming soon if we can maintain this climate. Let me pull up the stocks here, see how they are behaving. I got an eBay and an NVIDIA play that I filled. They expire on Friday. On my eBay play, I have eBay needs to stay above 53.80 or 53.50. I got a credit of $15 on every $100 that I put up. I got a few of those contracts, and then I have an NVIDIA that needs to stay above 425 by Friday, and I got a $40 credit for every $250 collateral. I picked up a few of those contracts as well. So yeah, I'm hopefully staying in the money this week, but those are my two plays. Every week I try to have a credit spread, and make some extra income there. Let's run down these market quotes. Indices are slightly in the green. S&P there at 33.59. Guys, I've been saying this for months now. Expect more all-time highs this year. The promise of funny money is like drugs for this market. Dow 30 is up as well, 27,633. Crude oil is up. Everything's up. Let's look at the metals. The metals are up as well. Gold at $20.50. Silver at $28. Up. Let's look at the currency indices. Let me click this ad real quick. Boom. You can see the U.S. dollar it's been there at 93. It's kind of been stuck, but you can see it's lost a lot of strength. And that's, even normies are talking about this already. And the bonds are getting clapped there. 0.55 minus 2%. So it's ridiculous to me. So who's going to buy a bond for, I don't get it. I guess if you have trillions of, billions of dollars or something, you really want your money secure somewhere, but they're offering less than 1% to lock up your funds for 10 years. Okay. I'll take my risk with these stable coins. They're paying like 10%. So I don't know, guys. And the cryptos are all up. Champ, funk music at 13K? Maybe. I should have brought it out earlier that we're in this bull run. Yeah, I may have to fire up the funk. Champ, check out Ether Bank. I think I've heard of that one. Ether Bank. Sounds like another DeFi. I'll keep that in mind. Let's check out the journal out here. China imposing sanctions on Americans over Hong Kong. I believe they started arresting some journalists out there in Hong Kong. And we're definitely in a cold war. Hopefully it doesn't turn into a hot one. Check out Reuters here. There it is. Just this Jimmy Lai or Lai. I forgot how you pronounce this guy. I don't know much about this guy, but looks like tensions are building up. Check out Market Watch. "15 days into the COVID-19 pandemic, who are the best and worst performing stocks?" Let's check this one out. Sectors, tech. I could have told you that. Information technology is up 30%, 24% since the new year. And you could see, real estate's getting clapped, and utilities. Let me share this article too, so you can see the sectors that have been most impacted since the Rona hit. Here's the big winners. Among the S&P 500, 341 stocks rose between March 10 and August 7. Here are the 20 strongest performers during the first 150 days of the pandemic. So it says the top performer here is West Pharmaceutical Services. This is out of the S&P, okay? So they're up 90%. ABioMed is up 88%. I don't know anything about these companies. AMD, Advanced Micro Devices, most people should know about them. They're a chip manufacturer, and they're up 87% since the pandemic hit. And how about PayPal? I've been extra bullish on PayPal, and I've done a few plays on PayPal. This is extra. I'm extra bullish on PayPal, I'll tell you that much. Halliburton's up, Nvidia, and that's another one. I'm actually in an Nvidia play this week. So yeah, PayPal, Nvidia, these are things that have been in our watch list since the very beginning. Chipotle's up as well on Amazon, Apple, eBay. eBay's another one we've been extremely bullish on. So yeah, it looks like some of our picks have been here. And then the losers, Simon Property, they're a real estate, Xerox, Carnival, Delta, United, Ralph Lauren. Ralph is getting clapped, huh? Along with the airlines. Hey, champ, you can now receive TRX BT Teeps directly through DLive. It's as easy as sending a lemon. Okay. Thanks for letting me know. Let me shout out everybody over there on DLive real quick. You know that if you send me a lemon on DLive, I'm not notified on my chat viewer here. On my end, I'm doing an aggregated chat view, so I can't see when someone drops me a lemon. But thank you to Athlete. I can see that you dropped me a lemon. So thank you to Athlete. Thank you to Christozilla. Donated an ice cream. Thank you so much. Athlete dropped me, not a lemon, a diamond, which is 100 lemons. Boom. Hey, champ, you can now receive. Yeah, I read that, and it's easy as sending a lemon. Thank you so much, athlete. I appreciate that. Guys, following me on DLive so that YouTube doesn't get all the sauce. I'm going to go ahead and drop 50 here in the bucket. I'm going to pass out some lemons in just a moment. 50 lemons were just added to the chest by champagne. So, kaboom. Yeah, give me a couple more people here, and I'll pass out those lemons. But how about Chainlink? I'm extremely excited. Not so much excited. Surprised is the better word. I'm surprised about Chainlink's success. Cracking, at this pace is going to be a top fiver. Peter, thank you. Eric says, any word on Elastos? I'll be honest, Eric, I haven't heard of Elastos in months, if not years. Nothing good or bad. I just haven't heard anything. Boom, 5 people on DLive. Let's go ahead and fire up this lemon distribution. I'm going to click distribute rewards. You'll get a pop-up on your end that says claim. You got to click it so that you can be eligible to get some lemons. If you don't see a pop-up come up, it's because you have a pop-up blocker on your browser that you need to remove. So let's get it popping, guys. Shout out to ETH1. Crip walking already. And the rest of the boomers. Let me go ahead and share a couple memes. I don't like that when you go to click on the memes now that they don't have the custom memes over here. That you got to click over to the sticker. But whatever. Let's get it going, guys. Distribute rewards. 30 seconds. Peter's the lucky winner. He got 32 lemons in the bag. And we got Christozilla got 19 lemons in the bag. Lots of fun. Yeah, it is. I mean, these lemons are worth less than a penny. So you probably got like 20 cents worth of crypto. But hey, it's fun. So let me drop another bomb. Thanks to Peter for participating and Christozilla, everybody else in the box. We do this every single weekday. And it's fun, guys. Don't give all the sauce to YouTube. You know they've been shadow banning people. They want to play the editor. They want to tell you what you should or shouldn't be consuming. Don't listen to them, guys. And it's not about DLive. It's about using an alternative to YouTube. Okay, you know, it could be DLive this month. It could be Twitch another month. It could be some new one, DTube. We've seen a lot of different platforms, but the bottom line here is just not to depend only on YouTube. Alternatives. Let's go ahead and check out our DeFi portfolio. You know, we've been managing a portfolio virtually here with nothing but DeFi coins. And our intent has been to outperform Bitcoin. We got in with 9150 when Bitcoin was 9150. So if our bag is more than Bitcoin, then we're doing good. Total crypto worth right now is 13,916. We're clearly outperforming Bitcoin. And you can see the coins that we have here in our portfolio. This is a portfolio that is virtual. It's not real. We've been handling it for education and entertainment purposes only. But we handle this thing like if it was, you know, the real bag. This is a community portfolio. You can see the tokens that we have include Kava. Look at this. Kava is our top token right now. Bancor, Aave, which is the Lend, Kyber, Compound, Flexa, and Synthex. And what's exciting here is that look at the 7-day. We have gains on all the coins are up, but Kava has almost doubled up this past week. So shout out to them, 92%. Compound's doing well again. It looks like Compound's starting to gain weight after being clapped. And Synthex. Oh no, Flex is the one that's falling behind, and it's up 11%. So everything's making gains right now. I've expressed my intent to add a little bit of Ren and perhaps some band protocol and maybe even some loop ring. So, maybe it's a good time to do that today. I'm not sure. I mean, Kava's up 92%. Compound's up. Maybe taking a little bit of gains here and getting into some Ren or some loop ring. Let me know. Still staking on D-Live? Yes, I am, athlete. I am. I'm staking on D-Live. A little bit. Just a few BTTs. But, I've already started it. Now, I'll be able to stake more and get more rewards once I become an active partner there on D-Live. I believe that 200 followers are required to be a partner. And I'm slightly under that. I got like 170, 180 followers there on D-Live. So you need a minimum of 200 so that you could be like a verified partner. I don't even know how it really works, but I know that you need to have 200. And at that point, I think your stake has a little extra bonus or something like that. Annualized return in BTT for D-Live partners plus 91%. Yeah, there you go. So, I mean, that it's up 91% or that you get an extra 91%. Woody 10K says Uniswap is number 9 now, still climbing. Yeah, Uniswap is doing good. They got a lot of tokens, and the liquidity mining is doing well over there. Let's check out DeFi Pulse real quick. Maker dominance is up. Maker's still the top dog. Compound gaining some share. Synthex. And you can see numbers 9 is Uniswap. Now, Uniswap doesn't have a token yet, is what I understand. But look at Yearn.finance. This thing has propelled almost to the top 10. This thing is like, I haven't seen it. Now it's a top 100 coin now. So keep your eyes there on Yearn. All right, guys, I'm going to take a few more comments and questions and get to my day. I got a lot on my plate to handle today. We got 10 people on D-Live. Kaboom. Let me drop a bomb for you guys. We'll do another distribution, but I just did one 5 minutes ago, so we'll be doing them every day. So if you're tuned in, make sure you bookmark the page. I'm out here every single morning passing out the lemons, keeping you updated with the good crypto word. We're crypt walking all day long. Dropping bombs on them and trying to stay ahead of the curve out here, guys. The original boomers. Before boomer became a meme, we've been kabooming with the Bitcoin. Cosmos founding team broke up early this year. That the project didn't. Keep your eyes on Cosmos. My understanding is that they have some DeFi there moving around. Cosmos is being presented as an alternative to Cardano that's functional now. I haven't used it and I don't know, but that's what I've heard. So keep your eyes on that. And Fiverr sending me ads on the Brave browser. Fiverr's made gains this year. I've been bullish on Fiverr, PayPal, eBay, Nvidia, and a few of them were on that list that I just shared as top gainers. See who's making some serious moves today. Canopy Growth, which is a marijuana cannabis stock, they're up almost 10%. Compound Finance is up. Macy's is up. Norwegian. Let's see if there's any good deals. Netscaler that I'm, or Cloudflare. Tesla's taking a break in Carvana. I like Carvana's business model. How about Zoom calming down after some gains? Like, Zoom was one of the stocks that was really impacted positively from this Rona. But Zoom's not S&P, right? No. Even Neo, now I'm scared. Neo's been, Neo was another Korean type of, what's the association with Neo and Cosmos? Are those both like Korean ethers? Let me know about that. I'll take a few more comments and questions, guys. This time I'm really gonna keep the broadcast less than 45 minutes today, because I'm a little pressed for time. But yeah, how about that Bitcoin, guys? I'm extremely excited. This is funny, though. Look at this chart, though. The boom up and the boom down. Let's see. This seems a bit manipulated to me. But look at that 1 month chart. Extremely, extremely bullish. All right, if there's no more comments or questions, I'm out of here. Neo finally waking up, just tapped $15. Where's Neo? I used to hold Neo for a while, and I really liked their wallet, but it was like for a while, Neo. They even were like a top 12, a top 15 or something like that for a while, and then it just kind of faded away. Like so many of these coins end up doing. So many just fade away. Neo's ranked 21, so it's still a contender. Okay. I really liked Neo's wallet. Neo is Chinese? Yeah, you're right. I was thinking of what's the Korean Ethereum? It's not Neo. Icon. That's the one. We got confused with Neo and Icon. There's so many of them, guys. There's so many of these coins. And listen, guys, I'm here paying attention to cryptos every single day, and there's so many coins that I get confused. There's 6,000 plus coins. Okay, so most of them are straight up garbage, and you know that. When Bitcoin SV could remain a top 10 coin, you got to question all altcoins. Yeah, that's right, Crystozilla, ICX Icon. Yeah, I got kind of confused out there between Neo and Icon. All right, guys, on that note, I'm out of here. Shout out to Crystozilla, Jigger Rome's, Woody, ETH1. Who else is in there in the box? Thank you to Rafterman for the $2. Athlete for showing love there for the lemons. Thank you so much, Peter. And the rest of the boomers out there. I appreciate it, guys. Trapping Investor, I see you as well. Jigger Rome, stay strong out there, guys. I'll be back tomorrow. It's the voice of the blockchain, Satoshi's big cousin, crypto's finest. Champagne. Thanks for tuning in.